LeetCode 56, merge intervals. Given an array of intervals where intervals I is equal to start I, end I, merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. So input intervals is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 8. Okay. And what's it? Output gives 1, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. 1, 3, and 2, 6 overlap and merge them into 1, 6. So since 2 comes in between this, we can just, what's it? So that's why this part is getting overlap. Okay, fine. So what's that? Intervals 1, 4, 4, 5, gives 1, 5, intervals 1, 5. So we can see that basically if the end term of the previous if the of the previous list item is what do you call greater than or equal to the start of the next item, it gets merged basically. That's one way to look at it. So we can use that logic. So firstly, let's just make the list. What do you call the our what's the final list? Oh, oops, this is Python. So don't get confused. Yeah. So before we start, we do have to sort this list. So let's just do that easily. Well, dot sort lam lambda I of 0. So we are just sorting this list based on the first term of the array, right, of this list. So doing that. So now let's get into sorting. So by default, we can just say that the first item will just be on this merge list. So append of 0. So for every term for x in intervals, uh, for x in interval, if merged of -1. So this -1 means we'll take the last element in that character. If -1 of 1 is greater than or equal to x of 0, basically. So this is basically that in our what's it merged array. So if this term is greater than or equal to this term, we'll just what's it change the list item to whatever it is. So we'll change this one to so merged of -1, 0. Merge. So it is either 0, -1, 1, whichever comma. Yeah, oops, in my sweet tab. What is it? X of 1. Yeah. So whichever of these terms are greater, because we can see over here, even though that what do you call it satisfies this condition, it's 1, 5. So we take the greater of this. What do you call the? We take the greater value of the interval. So we're just trying to see okay which was the greater value, and yeah. So else that means it doesn't fit in this range. So we'll just put append inter no sorry x, and we just return this code. Hmm? Oh, yes, case and oh, 0 on us. Let's see where we are. No way. What? Can't. Huh. I mean, I did can't analyze today, but I hope it's I hope it's a good. It's off, and I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll just get premium one day. But hey, let's go. We did beat 99% of the competition. So hey, I did something right. Can we analyze this complexity? No, not also no. But yeah, it's a little difficult problem. I did. Oh yeah, I mean, I did solve it beforehand before I did what's it recorded. It's a bit difficult. Took me a minute. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.